Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send an email list from a campaign in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful when you need to reach out to all your campaign members at once, whether you're sharing updates, announcements, or promotional content. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access your campaigns in Salesforce. Look for the app launcher, which is the waffle icon located in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and in the search bar that appears, type in campaigns. Once you see it in the results, go ahead and click on Campaigns. This will take you to your campaign list where you can manage all your marketing initiatives. Now, from your list of campaigns, click on the name of the campaign that contains the members you want to email. This opens up that specific campaign's detail page where you can see all the information and members associated with it. It's important to select the right campaign since this determines who will receive your email. Next, look towards the top right part of the screen and you'll see a button labeled Send Email. Click on this button. This action opens up the email composer interface where you'll craft your message to all the campaign members. It's a straightforward tool designed to streamline mass communication directly from within Salesforce. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your email subject. In the subject field, type a clear and engaging subject line that captures the essence of your message. This is what your recipients will see first, so make it count. After that, move to the Content tab and type your email content. This is where you'll craft the body of your message. Take your time here to ensure your content is clear, professional, and communicates exactly what you need to say to your campaign members. Before you hit send, it's crucial to review everything. Click on the Review tab to see a preview of your email and verify the list of recipients. This step ensures that you're sending the right message to the right people and that everything looks exactly as you intended. Finally, you have a few options for sending. You can click Send to dispatch the email immediately. If you need to schedule it for a later time, click the drop-down arrow and select Send Later. And if you're still not quite ready or want to make additional edits, simply click Save as Draft. This saves your progress so you can come back to it whenever you're ready. And there you have it. You've successfully prepared and sent an email to your campaign members in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.